Dear all students, today I'll show you how to replace the keyboard of Dell Inspiron 153,000 series laptop. Before that, before opening the keyboard, you need to first take out the battery. This is a laptop battery, and after that, now you need to remove the keyboard which is installed in this laptop. For that, you require a small piece of card here. Just now I'm removing it. It has a total 5 pin locker which will keep the internal keyboard locked in the cabinet. So right now I'm removing it slowly, and after that, this is the keyboard connector here. As you can see, this is a old keyboard which is slightly damaged. It is replacing with a new one which has come. It is parcel well. It is safely packed in the parcel which came. So right now I'm removing the new keyboard. You can see, so this is a well parceled. Now you can see the new keyboard. This form factor has to match. Okay, so I'm going to remove this plastic before installing this in the keyboard section. So here, I was just little surprised of getting this attention symbol here. So anyway, this is written to alert, because this is an electronic device. It can be damaged if it is not handled properly. So let me first put this in the here it need to be put safely. Okay, now you can see here it is correctly locked here inside the pin. Now I'm going to insert the battery and check whether this keyboard is working well or not. Let's switch on the notebook. Okay, let's check the keyboard. Okay, I'm pressing window button. Okay, let me type all the keys here. Okay, all the keys are working well. Now let's type number. Okay, then above number, So all things are working well. Now I'm going to type this number also, number pad. You can see here number pad is also working well. Okay, that means I'm not now going to close this. So just now you have seen the replacement of the keyboard in Dell Inspiron 153,000 series laptop. Follow this step when you replace the keyboard in your laptop.